Welcome to my channel. My name is Monica. I would like to share one of my new album. I used Rosa interactive folio tutorial, but I resize it for 6x6. The album measures actually 6 by 6 and a quarter. The spine is 1.5 inch. Most of the pages I used gold paper under the scrapbook papers. I purchased this in a local store in my country. And I use this 6x6 paper pad to decor my album. In this collection, many pages decorate already with gold foil. I think this is a lovely collection. My album came out very elegant. Actually, I have 2 paper pads. In the description box, I will leave the link for Rosa tutorial. So let's see my cover. On my album cover, I add some extra flower and leaves to give some dimension. I cut some leaves from a piece of gold paper with my old die cuts. So, let's go and check inside my album. Thanks for watching.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. Trip